Welcome back. Government has relaxed condition of knowledge of Konkani in case of non-availability of candidates with knowledge of Konkani for professional posts. The state cabinet has also decided to give extension to 40 contract medical staff at the GMC. Government has appointed the North Principal District Judge as one-man commission to conduct judicial inquiry in Aguada jail food poisoning. Goa will have Ayush Directorate now with one post of Deputy Director, 24 Ayurvedic physicians and 10 homeopathic physicians.
Government will probe the Aguada food poisoning case. Government has decided to appoint a North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court Judge as one-man commission to conduct inquiry into the Aguada jail food poisoning case. Mahadev Gaonkar had died due to food poisoning in Aguada jail 2 years back. Sources say Gaonkar had died due to lack of proper medical attention. It was further mentioned that inquiry into the episode will be conducted as per the Commission Inquiry Act of 1952. It would also be ascertained whether the death occurred due to lapses on part of jail administration or untimely medical attention to the prisoners. It will also be checked whether there was insufficient mobilization of jail guards. Government would appoint 5 retired staff of court to assist the commission. It was decided in the cabinet that in case of non-availability of suitable candidates with knowledge of Konkani for the post in professional colleges, consultants in health services and highly technical or scientific posts, Goa Public Service Commission may recommend a candidate if otherwise found fit, and this requirement can be relaxed by the government. Cabinet has cleared 3 new posts for civil judge and judicial magistrate first class. Cabinet has further extended the contract of 40 medical staff in cardiac department at GMC. Contract of junior resident doctors, staff nurses have been extended. Cabinet also decided to create 1 post of deputy director, 24 Ayurvedic physician and 10 homeopathy physician under Ayush. Government has formulated a scheme, voluntary compliance scheme, which will facilitate the employer to provide the information to the Labour Commissioner under various laws related to the employment and business establishment. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Mines Department will ask Chartered Accountants team to audit report of iron ore traders. Department will ask the CA's team to probe source of buying iron ore. More than 264 iron ore traders were involved in transportation of ore. Nearly 8 ore traders have submitted audit report of transportation.
From 2007 to September 2012, iron ore traders have allegedly committed gross irregularities. Justice M.B. Shah Commission had said large number of iron ore traders were responsible for illegal mining in Goa. Now the department has decided to probe iron ore traders involved in transportation of iron ore from 2007 till stoppage of mining. According to sources, there were 450 iron ore traders registered with Mines Department. Out of 450, more than 264 traders were involved in transportation. Mines Department will ask the Chartered Accountants team to look into the traders' accounts. Team will probe the source of buying iron ore. The same will be analyzed by the department with the audit report of leases. Similarly, nearly 15 iron ore traders were linked with various mining companies. Sources informed that iron ore traders who were linked with mining companies had submitted the audit report. Nearly 8 traders have submitted the report to Mines Department. Remaining 7 traders are yet to submit the report. Sources also informed that Chartered Accountants team submitted audit report of 82 mining leases. Audit report of 36 mining leases are still awaited. They have given time limit up to 15th July. Audit report of Cesar Goa, Fomento, VM Salgaonkar and other major companies have been submitted. Mines Department will analyze the whole audit report. Reporter Mahesh Kari with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Union government released its first socio-economic and caste census on Friday. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said the idea is to deal with poverty and it will be a very important input for policymakers. The data would help the union and the state governments to monitor economic status of households. 1.24 crore households have raised objections during the survey and 97% of these objections were heard and disposed.
We have now details, assets and deprivations of each of the 17.91 crore households. We are now on the cusp of a huge development shift that will move the numbers of poverty to the names of the villages that need government intervention. The idea is to deal with all the aspects of poverty of the families simultaneously, be it food, housing, jobs, education, health, skills, social grouping, or giving the poor voice in the village or the panchayat.
A document of this kind, which will reflect the realities of India, is going to be a very important input for all policy makers, both in the central government and the state governments. And I'm sure with the enormity of schemes and their reaches that all governments have, this document will form a basis of helping us to target groups for support.
Main 400 mm diameter pipeline burst at Arlem bypass on Thursday night. Though repair work has started, water supply will be restored only after 12 hours. Central Madgaon, Borda, Chandravada and Gawliwada are the most affected areas.
काम चालू करते.
ओके. आणि अफेक्टेड एरियाज खंयच्यो आहा आनी कितल्या पर्यंत काम सोंपोवन सगळे सारके जातले ते जाय आसले.
हे काम मरे गेले अंबाजी पेपरां उदक अंबाजी चंद्रावाडो पार्ट ऑफ पातोडा डोंगरीवाडो आनी पार्ट ऑफ मारगांव आनी पार्ट ऑफ गोगळ आनी हावजिंग मुट्टोडो. मेन लायन ती येता Prudent MMCI line and it comes from MBR गोगळ. ते आता काम चालू आहा. इट विल टेक टायम. मेजर भरते मेजर.
कितलो टायम लागतलो एक कंप्लीट रिपेर जावपाक?
10 to 12 hours.
अफेक्टेड एरियांक कशें कितें सप्लाय उदक?
ना मागीर सांजचे पर्यंत मेळटलें न्ही. नाल्यार आमी टँकर दितले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.